And let me start with you, Daktari. You saw my colleague there running us through what the law says specifically about corporal punishment, coming against the backdrop of recent cases that were reported that were really concerning about how a learner actually ended up in hospital after a punishment went sour, and he is now battling with something that may just change his life forever. Does it concern you? And would we say that teachers are aware of the laws that, for instance, my colleague Ayub was taking us through?
Thank you very much, and thank you for having me, and good morning, viewers. And this is a timely discussion, especially now that the children are at home and we're anticipating that they'll go back to school shortly. And we need to reflect a bit on the situation of the safety of our learners in schools. And there are very many aspects to it. The first one, I think it's good to see what the law says around the health and safety of schools. And the first thing is that the health and safety of schools, the health and safety of students is the preserve of parents. We as parents are responsible for the health and the safety of our children. But then when we take our children to school, we delegate that responsibility to the school through the administration, through the PTA and through the board and the administration of the school. So that then the board and the administration of the school become fully responsible for the health and the safety of the child while in school. And that is very clearly stated in the Education Act of 2013. So it is important that we realize that when a child goes to school, the teacher and the school administration are fully responsible for the health and safety of the school, and the buck actually stops with them. So anything going on in that school, they are responsible, and that is important. Yeah. Anything else, and of course you find that when a teacher beats a child to the point where the child is hospitalized and probably even dies, we've had cases of even children dying because of corporal punishment, then you think, is there something further with that teacher? Is there a mental health concern? Because no normal, sane human person will beat a child to the point of death. We've even seen parents who beat their children to the point of killing them, isn't it? So is there something wrong? Is there a mental health issue going on with that child? So that's how you analyze a situation, because all the teachers know the law. All the teachers know what they're supposed to do and supposed not to do. Is there something else going on in the life of that teacher? And that is what makes them react in the way that they're reacting to that child. Yeah.